You go say thank you.
Thank you,
and you go still want that.
Now you be the winch for the OT. Because after I say thank you very much,
Supposed to end like that, yes.
You can't go put small jar like, I don't say me and music with the, you understand? Be like drug to me. I must come and dance in the crazy form and something. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Letter Show! Okay, so before we do our introduction things, we get our regular pose of the pose these days. You understand? So, ladies and gentlemen, easy business. They put one bang for the background like this. You understand? Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, our regular pose, before the whole show will start like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, as usual, ladies and gentlemen, my name Michael, but they call me Ogbolo, baby. Thank you. I love you. Fatukan. And of course, on top of the wheels of steel, as usual, my guy, my G, DJ Easy B.
On the wheels of steel. It's Mr. Incredible. Incredible. The most wanted DJ. DJ Easy Beats.
Okay, you know what's going to happen now? From today, Easy Beats. No play this thing again. No play am again. You dey steal my shine too much. I don't like her.
Okay.
Now I'm supposed to shine. You understand? You say, so not the drop again. What's wrong with you? Or you go do one for me too. Okay. They'll go to go balance.
I go do one.
So you see what I just say? My name is Ogbolo. You say, you just play one thing. Ogby baby. You understand?
I don't know.
Now woman voice. Now woman voice. You hear Ogby baby. Okay. You know me, baby. You know what's up?
Holla.
Anyway, now welcome on top of the show. How on a day take go like this? Of course, beautiful day today. A beautiful day today. How on a weekend go? I know ask town like that too much yesterday. How on a weekend go? Oops, every make too much brain. On Sunday, I learned one very important thing for church where I go. Okay. Say love na decision, not be just feeling. Na decision. Love is a decision. You choose to love somebody, irrespective of the grace the person gets or the witchcraft the person carry come out. You choose to love. I don't want to go into that one, but just keep
I won't talk something.
Don't talk. I will reserve it for Friday.
Yeah, for Friday.
By Friday, we'll just we'll deliberate more on the particular
issue. Based on you and
you understand? Based on the kind, about some kinds of they drop, they make sense. So that Friday, people they learn from it. They learn from it. But I got two wonderful guests in the building. Of course, two wonderful, beautiful ladies. Two of them they're on the dark side like me, ebony people. We are all right here. Black is beautiful, you know what I'm saying? The days how they building one, you don't take for the ministry. They sing every beautiful voice. And the second one, now see upcoming, but very, very casual too. If you see things, we'll leave it there. Okay? But some of them go there with me on top of the show today. One by each, we'll run the whole parade. And of course, we'll get Koko of the day just before every of the interview will start proper. Okay, so don't go anywhere. We don't begin. And tell somebody to tell person. The late night show, it don't start. Easy beat. Take a come out. When they come back now. Don't go anywhere. Koko of the day. Number one. First Koko of the day for all of una where they go internet, go to do some kind of things. This particular gist for ground go make you understand, say, if they bring out a list, only say not available for Nigeria yet. Now, what will be the gist? Ashley Madison cheating websites where they allow men to go to cheat on their wife. Now, websites where if you don't go to run some kind of parole, unto say you just want to do some kind of things, make some kind of moves to cheat for inside your marriage. Okay. Or say you get person for your side and the two of them are just there, but you just want to go do pium waka for outside. Okay. This particular website get the list of different people when they come, they say, okay, I want this particular girl. This one would make sense for me for today. This one would do next week. That would do next month, For the men then. Apparently, some influential men for the society, they for that particular
website.
Now for Bodo Ibo, for that website. So now, some kind of Wasabi boys there don't hack the website. They call the church and say, we go release the list. Your daddy. We go release the list. AshleyMadison.com. Life is short. Have an affair. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? That they promote go get adultery. This world don't finish.
You don't finish.
Go cheat on your spouse. This world, you are finished. Meanwhile, for the whole paradise, I tell you, say, man, the way the world don't spoil rich. People, if you see crowds where they inside this website.
They don't count that day.
Oh, strong men for the society. They there. So now they also they threaten now. Say they also release the name of
the book of life.
You go see where men now they form delete my account. But how you want to go? They don't hack them already.
They don't get everything.
But those guys they go make some kind of bad. They all threaten you. Oga, we get your profile for you.
Yeah.
And based on the whole level like this, only you now they crash the whole area. How far would they do that?
I will show you a profile picture.
Yeah,
when you do like this.
And maybe you put some kind of picture where you only just lay for a room. Maybe that you want your put as your DP
Just move
for
some
your profile.
eggplants, you know.
Maybe just go naked.
Eggplants.
Just put some things for some area. Maybe if they all bring out that list, they all look the list, say cook it, nice, different. But thank God say in not day Nigeria. You know, if imagine that this country that won't happen. Oh, Jayaba, you see our politicians, they raw haters.
Some men don't blow.
Some forget. Now some kind of boys for Yahoo boys. Make I not go promote nonsense. I want to talk one thing just now. I behave myself because of NBC. Okay. So Koko number 2.
I'm in love with the Koko.
Lee Nelson, British comedian. You know, say comedians for this country, we they do our best possible to yarn the truth.
Yes.
In a very satirical form.
All right.
You know, I just remind me of this guy who they sing that year. I don't tire to make sense. Why do they always put down?
No, you must get that vibe. The thing they always come.
I don't tire to make sense. Anyway, I think that's my pastoral area of my life. Something is about to happen. Michael, behave. Lee Nelson, British comedian. He began some kind of big way with FIFA president, Sepp Blatter. Recently, you say FIFA president, FIFA president, there's some kind of issue there on ground. This particular video where they watch like this now the thing will happen. We've seen the comedian and the FIFA president. So the guy on Waka enter, he just throw dollar bills for Sky, just to show and say, man, for guy pass this level. You get? Now in the yarn some kind of things based on the they begin say Blatter say in some kind of things onto money things, say some kind of money miss. As they call escort the guy come out now guy spray dollars for up. You know, I believe the guy don't watch many Nigerian videos.
No, not one.
He don't watch some Nigerian videos.
That one just doesn't spray me the money.
Spread the money.
Spray me the money.
Spread this thing. He said, nah, take it. Yeah. Money rain. Say Blatter said stand up. Say if I catch this guy, slap your ear. Nonsense, somebody like
security code, the guy don't spray anybody.
He don't spray the money. I said, go security guy. I just say they put chewing gum on that leg. Forget. I just
The reasons are kind of bad.
Just they match.
Imagine in Nigeria that thing happen.
Niger. Those security guys will just come. They all push the guy, come on. Here, big big listing. You call this for customer for person for waiting. Yeah? But anyway, Sepp Blatter, I hope you come out from this whole big because many talk there on top of the whole corruption issues, on top of the whole FIFA parole. All right, but well, as plenty as if you talk and say rich, now don't make enough money, so give chance for the next people to come and not be your family matter, be FIFA issues. I will leave it there. So Koko number 3.
I'm in love with the Koko.
On the final level, now, people like Kim Kardashian and some other people, they blow for this industry based on sex tape issues.
All right.
Even though, originally the gist be not too good, it be not too pure, but finally they can't use them to our advantage, can't take blow.
Okay.
Along the line, family, they can't talk to keeping up with the Kardashians.
On the blow they go.
Courtney and Kim take New York, small time they do Chloe and this one take Afghanistan and different things. Now, finally, you say their part don't change now.
Man, you don't see blow again.
They
use no sense. They use no sense, they take come up.
Hey, you could do like, make I go do my sex tape.
Okay.
Well, put one on this, you call it our tape blue for this country. They go fee. They go fee. But Kathleen Jenner now, she goes to start her own reality show at the way too.
On top of that face.
The papa, we don't change to man now. He don't start his own. His own son don't start his own radio show now. About one sex radio show. The other use people that they blow for different things. I don't know, this Kardashian family and anybody who surround them, they can like to cause while
this is not stunt too. What is not just stunt too?
But anyway, now, 21-year-old man for Bodo for that side, then be the first person they go arrest so far. For say you go put sexual content of anybody online without the person's permission. For example, maybe you easy beat now and one smally, when I go run things. Wait till I just use it as an example. Wait till you not fit do Say you two of now go run some kind of parole. Finally, you can't go say, oh, I want to show this guy. Say, maybe after the whole thing, guy can't do you anyhow.
Yes,
You can't say me, I want to take the guy's style.
All right.
You can't go put them for internet. You will post them.
We call it
Prison.
straight.
Why? Say the girl know about them or not? So whether she do wrong or she do right, without her consent, they go throw you side.
So how they want to know Tsunami though?
Posting, they get link with person take post now.
If I go to another person hand on call.
You and the person, whoever was handled, but your video they there now. Whoever go put them online, whoever, not necessarily say not either of both parties.
Okay.
Whoever go put them online without the consent of those
the people
two,
involved.
Exactly, you all don't finish. So you want go to say you want to do bad to your guy or to that girl, go the form posting of things, you all don't finish.
All right.
You all don't, so better be careful. 21-year-old boy, Ashon Ashagba, which kind of name? No be Nigerian person now, because this one happened for Obodo Ibo for that side. But it didn't come be a Nigerian person name, Ashon Ashagba. Anyway, now be the first person they don't convict go court based on the whole thing. And so anybody with that side there right now, you believe say you get some videos, incriminating videos to put people for that trouble, rethink them. And I pray that they go do this kind of thing for that Nigeria. I mean, our boys for here, maybe they hack any kind of website where they promote adultery. Maybe they bring out list. Those boys they go shock say when they all bring out the list, our partner name did there.
How you go see they come because you there they go see your poster yesterday. You're ready for the front page.
Okay, now I'll finish Koko of the day gist. All right, any extra gist you get to talk on top of the whole level, just jam us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach for there, drop your gist, we relate and every. Okay, so thank you very much. Koko of the day, we are finished. We are coming back with my first guest in the building. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.